Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will show you how to use remote inventory in Pandora FMS. Inventory is a Pandora FMS enterprise feature, fully separate from monitoring, with which you may get an inventory of both the hardware of your devices as well as the software. This inventory can be obtained both locally through the software agent and remotely, as we will see in this video. For the inventory to work properly, you will have to make sure that you have the inventory server parameter enabled in the configuration file of your Pandora FMS server. As always, when you make changes to this file, you must restart your Pandora FMS server so that the changes are applied. In addition, an SSH connection is necessary with the devices to which you are going to assign remote inventory modules. Once you have made sure you meet these requirements, move on to Pandora FMS console. By default, you have a series of inventory modules both for local and remote monitoring, which are located in the section Configuration Inventory Modules. You may create as many as you want, edit those that already come by default, or delete them. You must check whether the remote module exists for the operating system you want to monitor. Otherwise, the module will not report any information. We'll leave you more information in the description on how to create inventory modules. Now all you have to do is assign these modules to your remote agent. Go to the Agent Settings section and click on the Inventory tab. Here, first choose the module that you're going to apply, the execution interval of the module, the IP. Although the remote agent has an IP configured, it will appear automatically. And finally, the device's SSH user and password. If you're using a custom inventory module, you have the option to generate as many additional fields as parameters the inventory module plugin has. In the case of those that come by default in Pandora FMS, it will be enough with a username and password. Click Add and you're done. As we see, the module we just added appears just below, with a series of information such as module name, target IP, execution interval, and a series of options through which you may delete, edit again, or force the module to run at this very moment. If you have done everything correctly, you may check the result both from the agent's own inventory view, where you also have a series of filters to filter by module, date, or free search. Or you may go to the Monitoring Inventory section, where you may see the inventory of all the devices that you are monitoring in Pandora FMS. The first thing you will have to do in this view is to choose the convenient filters, such as the group the device's agent belongs to, the agent itself, the inventory registration date, the module you want to view, and a free search to search for the inventory field. For example, the brand of the processor and the option to sort the inventory by agent instead of by component. In addition, you have the option to export to CSV the result of applying these filters in order to work with them in other areas. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in social media and in future learning videos.